You know what? I did not have any partner when I was starting my English speaking journey, and this was my biggest problem. I can understand that you can also have the same problem. And you know what? The problem is that when someone is more fluent, we cannot talk with that person because we feel a bit embarrassed. And someone is more beginner, so that we cannot understand. But I have a best solution. Today in this video, I am going to show you that how do I use ChatGPT as my English speaking partner. So, hey everyone, this is Kashish Malik, and it is day 15 of my 30 days English speaking challenge. I am doing this challenge to become fluent in English and be a natural English speaker. I know that you would be thinking why to use ChatGPT as your partner. Today I am going to show you the same. Before starting the video, I would like to thank to those people who just subscribed to my channel, and we are 56 now. Yesterday we were 51, I think, so 5 more people are welcome. I do not remember nicely, 52 or 51 were there. So you all are people welcome, and thank you for commenting this much good things. Let's do it. This is the surface of ChatGPT app. Now what you need to do is come to this point and click at this. Then the circle will come in the between and speak. Hello ChatGPT.
Ah, got it. So you want a pause or a gap between the greeting and the next part? No problem at all. If you have anything specific you want me to help with after that pause, just let me know.
Actually, I'm going to make a video with my friends on YouTube. Can you talk with me in English?
Of course, I'd be happy to switch to English. Just let me know what kind of help you need, whether it's brainstorming, scripting, or just bouncing ideas around for your video.
No, actually, I want to practice in English with you because I want to improve my English speaking. So, can you do it?
Absolutely. I'm really glad you're practicing. We could just have a casual conversation, ask me anything, tell me about your day, or we can even practice a specific topic you want to get better at.
No, we can just have a casual conversation.
That sounds perfect. So, what have you been up to lately? Anything interesting going on, or just a chill day?
No, it was a bit toxic day because I went to college and it took much time. I gave presentations and there were tests also. So the day was toxic, but now I'm feeling better.
Ah, yeah, that sounds really stressful. Presentations plus tests can be a lot in one day. I'm really glad you're feeling a bit better now. Did the presentations go okay at least?
Yes, the presentation was amazing.
Oh, that's awesome. I'm so happy to hear that.
Now, in case if you are not able to speak this much fast or the way he is speaking, then you can just say to ChatGPT that speak a bit slow. We are a beginner in English, and it will do that also. In case you make any mistake, then it will talk to you very politely and it will correct you very nicely. That's why I think ChatGPT is the best app to learn English speaking. You know what? There is no hub to give you that I will give you this and you will start speaking. No, it's not in that way. You will have to speak for learning English speaking. For example, to learn cooking, we will not learn by watching only videos. We will have to go in kitchen and cook something. In the same way, for learning English speaking, we will have to open our mouth and speak. That can only help you. So use your phone, use your chat GPT and learn with us. If you want to come with me, then subscribe to this channel and let's go together. Bye guys.